Digestion begins the moment food enters your mouth. Your teeth break it apart while saliva starts chemically processing it. After swallowing, rhythmic muscle contractions called peristalsis push the food down the esophagus toward your stomach. Inside the stomach, powerful muscles churn the meal, while acid and enzymes break it down into a thick liquid called chyme. In the small intestine, bile and pancreatic enzymes join the process, breaking carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into absorbable molecules. Now comes the crucial step: absorption. Nutrients cross the intestinal lining and enter your blood or lymphatic system. Much of the nutrient-rich blood travels first to the liver, where nutrients are processed, stored, transformed, and regulated before reaching the rest of your body. Your cells now put those nutrients to work, creating energy, building proteins, repairing tissue, and powering everyday functions. What your small intestine can't absorb moves into the large intestine, where water and electrolytes are reclaimed, and the remaining material becomes waste.
From the first bite to the final waste, digestion transforms food into nutrients your body can use and removes what it cannot.